Hey guys, it's makeup artist Ginny Wang. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. There was a fan who wanted to see how to use Chanel Spring Summer 2020 makeup collection in an Asian girl. Today we create a sweet peach makeup look for you. I hope you will enjoy it. If you do and want to learn more Korean makeup, subscribe and turn on the notification. You will receive a notification when a new video update. Give us some love, thumbs up below. Don't forget to follow our Instagram as well. I'm makeup artist Ginny. Welcome back to my natural makeup world. To make the base look fresher, I prefer to apply a light foundation first. I apply a medium light foundation in the middle of the face and bronzing cream in both of the sides. Under a canvas of blue, I would draw ever nearer to you. To feel the dew on your skin, that is how it would begin. For summer is for falling in love. We could stay out late until the sun sets past 8, and the cotton candy haze mirrors the warmth of your gaze. Raise your glass to mine, and as we drink, we would lock eyes. So we could disregard. I keep the original eyebrow. Gently apply sunlight in all of her eyebrows and soften the edge. For the eye look, apply a mauve color into her crease and under lash line. Blend them to create an elegant, strong feeling. Breath of a sunset right before the day is dead. But maybe the heat of today could keep even winter away. So I'll remember your laugh, 'cause nothing ever changes the fact that summer is for falling. To create a stronger eye look, apply a brown eyeshadow in the crease. Gently blend them until no edge. If you want a fresh eye look, applying a liquid eyeshadow in the middle of the eyes. The liquid eyeshadow will sparkle when every time you open your eyes. It's one of my favorite part. This makeup tutorial is over. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification if you like this makeup tutorial. See you in next video. Bye!